Automatic double-station pneumatic heat transfer machine. Upgraded body frame, more stable and durable. Multi-function touchscreen, intelligent display, adjustable speed, Chinese and English language switching. T-shirt can insert into bottom platen, high efficiency and save labor. Precise steel spring ensure overheating. Upgraded atomic steel guide rail, more stable movement of the body. Operation demo. Before starting, connect the air pipe to raise the heating plate. Turn on machine. Language setting. Set temperature. Set time. Setting auto delay time. The machine has automatic and manual modes. Automatic mode. Manual mode. Print quantity press to clear. Wait for the temperature to reach the preset temperature to operate. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time comes down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.